Good afternoon. This is Gear Life Insurance Company, and I'm in Hyderabad to launch two new plans, and these are exclusive online plans that we are launching today. As we know that Aegon Religare has been a pioneer in the online space and has been looking to constantly increase its footprint in the digital space. So this is why two new plans. One is an online unit-linked plan called the iMaximize plan, and the second is a term plan with the return of premium option called the iReturn plan. I think the significant advantage of the iMaximize plan is that it has 0% premium allocation charges. That means whatever money that you put into the plan gets invested without any deduction. It also has a great advantage in terms of a triple benefit option, which means that in case of the death of the life assured, the company pays out not only the sum assured, but it continues to pay the premiums on the plan till maturity, which makes sure that whatever corpus accumulation was budgeted or targeted for gets achieved. And in addition to that, the company also pays the equivalent of the annual premium once a year to the nominee of the policyholder in case of death. So that's the triple benefit option. In addition to this, the plan has exceedingly low fund management charges, starting at 1.35% for the blue chip equity fund, going down to 1.1% for the debt fund and 1% for our secure fund. So overall makes this a very, very good and viable option for those people either looking to secure their family's dreams or looking to secure their children's future. The second plan is actually aimed at people who want life protection, but want some money back at the end of the term. So it's a term plan which gives you a lump sum death benefit in case something were to happen to you. But in case you were to survive the policy term, then you would get all your premiums that you paid back. Now, this plan is aimed at people who believe that bad things happen to other people, nothing is going to happen to them. That's the mindset that we are talking about. But also, I think one of the things that we've done to make it exceedingly attractive is that it's priced very, very competitively. It's the cheapest plan in the market today in terms of return of premium. And if I compare this with some of the offline return of premium plans available, it is more than 50% cheaper than those. So I think it is a good option. And both these plans, we expect to see a fair amount of growth in the online platform for us. And we will continue to launch new and innovative plans on this platform. The industry is performing a mixed bag at the moment, so some players are growing and some are not. But overall, I think the industry should end at a 8 to 10% growth in this coming fiscal. For us, we are targeting a total premium of 565 crores with about 200 crores of new business and 365 crores of renewal premium coming.
What's your market share right now?
Market share is very small; it's less than 1%.
Okay.
So what about security measurement?
Sorry?
Security measurement. Sir, in case of customer details,
Yeah.
is there any chance to hack?
No. So we are constantly testing for vulnerability checks, so that's not possible.